If you're heading to Home Depot for your next home project, you might not know the retailer offers more than just products for sale. Some of their perks and services are completely free, and taking advantage of them could help you cut costs on your next trip. Skip shipping costs by ordering online and picking up your items in-store. This free option is ideal if you need something quickly without paying for delivery. If you'd rather not go inside, Home Depot offers free curbside pickup. Place your order online, check in through the Home Depot app when you arrive, and an associate will bring your items to your car. Need specific sizes for your project? Home Depot will cut lumber for you at no charge. Just bring your measurements. There may be limits on the number of free cuts, so check with an associate. If a plant you purchase dies within a year, you may be eligible for a free replacement. Keep your receipt for shrubs, trees, and perennials to take advantage of this guarantee. Home Depot offers free hands-on workshops for kids, complete with materials and instructions. Spots can fill quickly, so reserve in advance on their website. Learn a new skill with Home Depot's free online DIY workshops. Topics range from basic painting techniques to more advanced projects like closet design. If you're remodeling your kitchen, Home Depot offers free design consultations. They can help you choose layouts, finishes, and more. Bring in your old paint cans, and Home Depot will shake and mix them for free to restore separated paint. Frequent shoppers can sign up for the free Pro Extra loyalty program to get exclusive discounts and perks. Pick up a free paint stick to stir your paint at home and ensure a smooth finish for your project. Home Depot's free app can help you find products in-store, visualize how items will look in your space, and keep track of your shopping lists. Home Depot can be a costly stop if you're updating or repairing your home, but their free services and perks make it easier to save. From design help to loyalty rewards, these no-cost options can help you get more out of every visit.